Another update. Now, okay, we got that. Look what we got over there. Windows installed. Also, we have lights. Look at that. Got them lights installed. Got to cover that up. That's easy. Did the window. That's what you're looking at right there. Did that yesterday. Got the wires on there for the sconces, I think, the light sconces. Got this light in. Just need to take those off. That's nothing. Just a little time consuming, but these lights are on there. Also, we got lights in here. Got pod lights installed there as well. There's the switch. And at night it looks beautiful. Yeah, there they are. They're installed. And the block windows installed too. All I need to do is sheetrock that, and that's nothing. Insulated. And wait till the plumber comes and finishes off everything right here. Still got to finish that off. Plumber was sick, that's why he couldn't make it. But that's the update.